kami ng climbing a few rappel with waterfalls. And then, look at this. That's the ridge. That was a very good experience for us, for our group. And then we went up Batupik. And then this is the Langkayugan Ridge. Look at this.
Magnaw. How about the Magnaw?
We went to Maagnaw this morning and it was so good. Overlooking Kalatungan, the 5th highest. Napakaganda. So far, this is the best experience that we had. And wala pong kabantay. Ang hirap, pero ang ganda naman. Sarap, busog sa pagkain na walang humpay because of thank you Lakaw ni Pao.
Oy mga fans! Oy! Mga fans oh! Ang dami mong fans ate! Congrats ate, congrats! 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 Mga fans! Woo! Mga fans oh! Congrats, congrats sa lahat! Congrats, salamat din sa experience. Salamat sa na naging bahagi kami sa KD2M Adventures nyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat! Ingat, ingat! Thank you, thank you!
Pao is the best.
Alright!